Ramil from 9th standard from TMR Warangal Girls.
Good morning everyone, my name is Lakshmi from 9th class TMR Warangal Girls 2. Now we are going to do activity. Summary high, the leaves some are big, some are small.
Because it's all about the diversity.
What is diversity?
Diversity is nothing but evolution of plants. Today we should introduce about two venations. There is a parallel venation and reticular venation. Let us define the parallel venation. You can.
This is parallel venation. Suppose this is leaf. When the lines are is parallel to each, that is called parallel venation. This is for this fibrous root is there.
Yeah, it's my turn to introduce the reticular venation. Reticular venation is nothing but in this we found a midrib and veins. The lateral venation forms the line is nothing but reticular venation. It's a type of lateral partial. It is nothing but a reticular venation. There is a roots, two different types of roots. The taproots consist of this structure. The fibrous root consists of these structures. Now we should gonna tell about the examples. First, parallel venation example by friend Lakshmi was introduced for you. You can.
For example, this is a leaf. This is real leaf. See this have parallel. This is called parallel venation. We have to measure the length now. Start. Now we have to measure the length. See. 11.5. Length is 11.5. And we have to measure the width. 1.3. This color is maroon and green, light green. Shape. This is like small cone shape.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.